In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel a customer order and issue a refund using both Wix and Square. Imagine you're already logged into your Wix dashboard. Your first action will be to look for and click on the Orders tab. You can generally locate this under the Sales section, which makes perfect sense because orders are part of your sales operations. So now you have a detailed list of orders in front of you. Your next move is to identify the order that needs to be canceled and refunded. Once you have located the order, click on it. You will then be directed to a page that contains all the information related to this specific order. On this page, there's an option labeled More Actions, positioned in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. In the drop-down that opens up, you will notice a few options. One of them is Cancel and Refund. Choosing this option will allow you to cancel the entire order and issue a full or partial refund. Another option that might be more suitable depending on your circumstances is simply Refund. This is ideal for orders that have already been shipped or in any way fulfilled. With this option, you have the flexibility to select specific items within the order to refund, leading to a partial refund if needed. Once you have made your selection, you'll be prompted to enter the refund amount. This is where you get to decide whether it's a full or partial refund. Also, you have the choice to restock the items you are refunding. For customer relationship management, take a moment to add a note for the customer explaining why the order is being canceled. After that, click Continue, and then Cancel Order to confirm. Now, let's switch gears to Square. Suppose you're already logged into your Square dashboard or the app has been launched on your device. Navigate to the Transactions section, which is basically your shop's sales history. Here you will find every transaction your business has made. Find the specific transaction you would like to refund and select it. You'll notice an option that says Return Refund. If you click on it, you'll have the chance to refund the whole transaction, or just specific items for a partial refund. From the options provided, select a reason for the refund. And there you have it. You have now mastered how to cancel orders and issue refunds on both Wix and Square.